Live good, feel good. I like to start my videos like that because number one, I talk about live good and I like to feel good, and I know you guys too. All right, click and subscribe this darn channel right now, and we will do whatever we can to get you in live good and make some bucks and buy some badass products to put in those guts of yours so you can feel good and kick some butt, okay? All right, I'll be Corey Draper the rest of the video, and you just be yourself and kick back, maybe have a drink. I'm going to have a salted caramel monster drink. There's a little bit of calories in this. That's okay. You got to have calories. Cheers, okay? Normally I don't like to drink and video at the same time. Boy, that's a tasty beverage, I'll tell you that. We start doing salty caramel live good drinks, I'm going to be broke. You guys are going to have to please join my downline because I can't afford my salted caramel monsters as it is. So, okay. With Nowsite AI, that means artificial intelligence. It's like salt and pepper, peanut butter and jelly to live good. Live good, Nowsite. Nowsite is artificial intelligence. I go, hey, Nowsite, will you go get me leads on planet Earth, 18-year-olds and up to 118? How about that? Okay? I want them into health and fitness. I want them to be in a current MLM like USANA, Amway, Herbalife. And I want them to want to make money at home because I can supply that for them just by giving them a link. So I then ask AI, hey, do they have Gmail? Do they have Facebook? Because that's all I really care about. But you can also get LinkedIn, Twitter. You can get all their information from Messenger. It's insane at how much information this will get you in about 6 seconds. So what I do is I set for like a half hour to 40 minutes, and I just click every 6-7 seconds. I get about 300 contacts, and I look at their Gmail and Facebook. When I go to Facebook, I want to see if they're active. Are they hawking? Are they hustling their MLM? And are they positive? Are they real? And if they are, then I look at their Gmail. And if their Gmail looks real, then I go ahead and email them and say, hey, I got something in common with you. How are you? Corey here. Please watch this short video, nothing to buy. Let me know what you think. If they watch the video and they want to join, oh, they will. If they want to, in return, promote their MLM to you, then go ahead. Go ahead and pretend. Or maybe you want to join it. It's up to you. Okay? That's what I use Nowsite AI for. Now, when you sign up, you can get it for $39. I have to pay $99. I can get you a code right now, $39, no contract. Use it 30 days. Use it again for 30 days. It's up to you. Okay? $39 is a kick-ass deal. If you want it, just go ahead and click the link below this video. Put the little button on monthly, $99 a month unlimited. Then put in promo code 39, apply, and you got it for $39. You just saved $60 frickin' dollars. It's a lot. Okay? Now, if you don't know how to use it, there's a 10-day seminar. I'm going to show you the link, and I want you to go ahead and join and just follow along. Do the best you can. It's for 10 days, and don't worry, you don't have to dress up and go to some convention. It's not 8 hours a day. Okay, just watch the video, learn something, take some notes. They're going to teach you how to brand yourself. Are you shy? Do you want to be outgoing where you're like, hey, this is Corey and I got an opportunity? You know, how to brand yourself, how to market yourself. You know, dare to be daring. Okay? And then let's see if we can get you some leads and build you a website if you need, or maybe some emails or text messages. But take baby steps. Okay? Now, the best part is if you join for $39, if you watch all 10 days, they give you like a code name. And when you put all the 10 codes together, bam, they'll give you $39 back. So join now for $39. Watch 10 days of videos and learn about Nowsite, how to market it and how to market yourself, and then get your money back. I can't do any better for you guys than this. I mean, Live Good is kicking ass if you and I do it or not. Okay? Why not step in, step inside, walk this way? You and me, babe. Hey, hey, Def Leppard sings about that, okay? Pour some sugar on me, baby. And little Nowsite mixed with Live Good. That's a good combo. Like I said, salt and pepper, peanut butter and jelly. So I'm going to provide the link to Live Good. If you haven't joined, it's joincorey.com right below this one. If you want to join with Nowsite, just click the link. You'll see it. And just remember, promo code 39, but you got to get the 99 unlimited package. If you want the full package, buy the yearly. It says annual. Put in code 390. Save $1,000. You get it for $390 for the whole dang year. I mean, that is insane. That's awesome. Okay? So you can post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can make videos like this all day long. If people will join or not, I don't know. I have no idea. I just make these things and I just sit back and wait. But I don't like to wait too long because I like to go to Nowsite and just go get fresh contacts. I get about 200 to 300 a day, and I just check them out. And then if I send them an email and they say, hey, what's your opportunity? Or if they click the link and want to pre-enroll, great. And if they don't, it doesn't waste my time or your time. You just want to send little baby messages out to that universe and just say, watch the video. And they decide if they join or not. And then let the company take over. If they put their name and email address in, the company for 30 days sends them a kick-ass email every day for 30 days unless they hit opt out at the bottom. You don't have to do nothing. Ooh, man, this is so cool. I wish you guys just knew how excited I am about this opportunity, because it's getting to the point of where it's like, God, it's a no-brainer. Everyone says no-brainer. Well, this really is a no-brainer. Nowsite, live good. Just promote every day and have fun. Okay, build your downline. Get some products in your guts. Let's make you some money. Wouldn't that be cool? So anyway, I will keep the video short. Thank you for watching, subscribing to my channel. Okay, and let's see if we can do some good things for you in 2023, okay? All right, that's enough, folks. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? All right, bye.